Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook can run the Xbox experience. Either install the Xbox app from the Google Play Store or use Chrome for cloud gaming. Sign into the same Xbox account and confirm Game Pass Ultimate or Remote Play is enabled on your console. Pair your Xbox controller via Bluetooth or plug it in with USB. Once paired, make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. You want at least 5 megabits up and down, and ideally 10 plus, for smooth 1080p streaming. Next, connect to the actual game stream. If using cloud gaming, open Chrome, go to Xbox. com/play, sign in and pick a game. The browser negotiates low latency streaming. If using the Xbox Android app, open it, select console streaming or remote play, then follow the prompts to discover and connect to your console on the same network. Make sure the controller responds. Once the input shows up on screen, you're streaming. If input lags, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired router connection. Finish by optimizing quality. In the app or browser settings, lower resolution to reduce latency or increase if bandwidth allows. Once you've got stable video and input, pin the tab or app for quick access. If the stream cuts out, restart your router, relaunch the Xbox app or browser tab, and repair the controller. These quick steps often fix handshake failures. For stubborn problems, test streaming on a phone or PC to determine whether the issue is the console, network, or Chromebook, and then act accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.